Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube something went wrong. Try again. So guys, when you open your YouTube and facing this type of issue, that is something went wrong. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings on your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection with your iPhone. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone. And guys, after this here you need to search YouTube. So guys, simply you need to search here YouTube. And guys, after searching you need to click on YouTube, and guys update your YouTube app from here. And guys, after doing update you need to go back. You need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this here you need to click on YouTube, and simply you need to click on offload app and click on offload. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to open your settings again, click on general, and guys click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if connected then you need to disconnect it. And after doing this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this all your network settings will be reset, and guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your device to latest iOS version. So guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.